Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Atlas Earth update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or refusing to install? Running an old version is one of the top causes of the app's most frustrating bugs. Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for Atlas in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the progress circle is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold the Atlas Earth icon, tap pause to download, then tap it again to resume the download. This will restart the download. If it keeps failing, go to your settings app, then go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage and sure you have at least 1 or 2 gigabytes free. Atlas Earth updates are large since they include map data and add framework updates. Freeing up space by offloading unused apps, then retrying will help. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before retrying if the download keeps failing. So all you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck. Free up storage, try mobile data, the update will complete, and that's it. Subscribe.